Hello and welcome to the 23rd episode of the Hawk Nest. I'm Keegan Summers.
And I'm Chris Ramirez.
Balfour reached out to us and let us know that there are still some seniors who have not ordered their cap and gowns needed for graduation. You have to do this with Balfour. Make sure you take care of this soon.
ZAP is this Saturday from 8 to 10 a.m.
Congrats to UIL academics teams for another great showing at the UIL academic meet in Nederland over the weekend.
Congrats to the HJHS students that had work judged at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo last week. These students were first place winners and will move on to second judging at NRG Stadium this Friday.
Basketball and soccer continued their winning ways over the weekend. Here is Micah with more.
What's up? I'm Micah Brown here with your sports from this past weekend. The Lady Hawks traveled to Huffman and cruised to an easy 105-29 win. Ashlyn Jackson led all scorers with 37, and the Lady Hawks are now 9-0 in district play. They play Shepherd at home Tuesday. The boys basketball team played at home Friday, where they dismantled Huffman 77-58, ending Huffman's undefeated record. Baxter Worth led all scorers with 20 points, and the Hawks are now 6-1 in district. In other sports news, girls soccer plays at home Tuesday against Bridge City.
Our welding program has put us on tremendous results at the competition over the past couple weeks. Here, I caught up with some of the students with more.
The last couple of weeks, the welding team have been going to competitions to get certified.
To be certified is just like if you want to go weld at like a shop or, or a place where they're doing that exact position and stuff, you're already certified. They don't have to test you or anything. You just go and weld for them. To get certified, you have to, practice on a plate. The plate, like the certain V-groove or type of, I don't know, whatever position you're going to be welding. To get certified in that, you can go weld on that. I wanted to go get certified in, I went for 3G, but I didn't make 3G.
So what's 3G?
3G is the vertical position. It's a V-groove with backing on it with the vertical position.
There are also different levels of welding certifications in which welders can get certified in.
Level 3 is it's a groove weld with backing and a vertical position welding uphill. In level 1, we had Aaron Hunter. We had Bryce Engelman, Caleb Gay, and Drew Levere in level 1. Level 2, we had Cade Jeans, which he got first place. We had Tyler Bach, he had 5th place. Kobe Booz, he had 6th place. And Jacob Wilson in 11th place. They all passed and got certified. And then level 3, I was the only one to pass and get certified, and then I got first, and then we had Mason Smith. He didn't pass, but he got 4th. We had Caleb Gregory. He got 5th place. Then in level 4, we had Gage Muntz. He got 1st place, but he didn't pass. Nobody passed in level 4. And then we had Blake Hughes get 5th place.
There are prizes and scholarships available to the top placers in every level.
This one, they donated a Jackson welding hood, some grinding wheels, a T-shirt, a pair of gloves, and I think something else. I don't remember what else. Plus the scholarships. I mean, if you get 1st place, then you get scholarships too. I know each 1st place got a $1,500 scholarship to the Ocean Corp in Houston, and then levels 3 and 4, 1st place got $1,000 from the American Welding Society in scholarships.
When did you start teaching?
I graduated from Lamar in 2008, and I student taught here. When it was over at the middle school, teacher had just retired, so I took over as the 9th and 11th grade English teacher for the rest of the year, and then got hired and started my very first official year here in the fall of 2008.
You planned to teach when you came out of college?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, it was my dream probably since preschool.
Was it only English that you wanted to teach?
It was. I fell in love with reading in, I think it was 1st grade. There was a reading contest and we got a silver dollar for so many books. And then in 6th grade, my reading teacher made me fall in love with it even more. And then there was another teacher in high school that made me like it even more. He taught like it was a college course, and it was really fun.
Teacher that would have like helped you like in
Well, in middle school, we had a substitute one day, and I thought she was just the sweetest lady ever. She had brought a banana and pretzels for a snack for herself, and we were all hungry, so she shared some of it with us. And then she wound up being my reading teacher that I just talked about in 6th grade. She painted a mural on her wall, and she had bean bags for our reading center, and she read Island of the Blue Dolphins, and she just made me love school and love reading. And I wanted to be just like her. And then she wound up being my theater teacher in high school. And she really brought me out of my shell because I was afraid to talk in front of crowds. And she got me into one-act play. And so that was really fun. And I even thought about minoring in theater and being a theater teacher.
Who would you say is your favorite student?
That's a really hard question for teachers, and I know you always get the roundabout. Nobody wants to name names. But I think it's hard because over the course of years, you have so many different students that you click with for various reasons. Like you have some kids who just make you laugh, and some kids who are just like outrageously smart, you're super impressed with. Some of them are underdogs and they work really hard, and you just, you can't help but love all of these different personalities. So I don't know that I could name just one.
Welcome to How to Dress Swag with Emma. So most of y'all show up to school looking like hobos, so I'm going to give y'all a tutorial on how to come to school looking flawless like this. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is shower the night before. Don't brush your hair after you get out of the shower, and then your hair will look really curly and natural like this. And it's really pretty and all the guys will love it. Second, what you're gonna do is pick a random hoodie, it doesn't matter what hoodie, and put it on. Some people prefer a t-shirt under their hoodie, I don't. Anyways, the next thing you'll do is pick some sweats. I have chosen these sweats with my hoodie today, and the goal when you choose your sweats is not to match. This hoodie has no white, these sweats have white. They don't go together at all. And that's how swag comes about, creating your own style. Now for shoes. That's just your own choice. Usually I wear sneakers, sometimes I wear slides. Today I got the slides, you feel me? But some people don't like their toes out because some of y'all got crusty toes, and that's not swag. Stay cool, my friends.
That's all for today. Remember,
it's a great day to be a Hawk.